All right, next up today, after a million years delay, sorry about that. Website drafts are broken for some reason for basketball, and I'm afraid probably hockey too. It works for baseball, I don't know why. We made some changes the other day that were better for me, but way worse for everything else. So we had to do random on this. I added a box of Ascension to the break to try to help a little bit. Sorry about that. I figured I had to make a decision quick. I figured it'd be better to do the break random style than have you guys wait till next week till it can be fixed. No. Send all your hate mail to my email address. Here's the random results. It'll go into my hate mail folder. It's full. It might be full. It might kick back to you, actually. Mr. Friggin' Bliss, Grizzlies and Timberwolves is one combo, and Wizards and Pelicans, Carlo, is the other combo. I just comboed the bottom of the rankings on the drafted. I don't think we had any trades. And we'll see next when we try and do the ice. Yeah, what horror that we had to do a break random style like everyone else that's ever done breaks does. Can you imagine? Let's do the bonus box of Ascension first. Maybe we'll get some bonus awesome hit. Like a Joel Embiid autograph. That'd be nice. What if we got a Joel Embiid autograph out of Ascension? Number to 60. Embiid autograph. Jones would love it. Dodger Blue. Dwayne Bacon rookie. Carmelo. Victory John Wall. Kuzma rookie. I have some random Ascension boxes on my shelf. I have a whole case of status we could do anytime. I just didn't think anyone wanted it. John Collins rookie. Sixers game on. Game on, making history, James Harden. Jarrett Allen rookie. Yeah, I don't know why status is doing so poorly. Frank Mason number to 120. It's not that bad. There's too much basketball out right now. All this stuff. You guys are going to laugh in 3 or 4 years when you can't get a box of Ascension or status for anything reasonable when it's all gone, and Donovan Mitchell and all these rookies are even better than they are now. We're all going to be kicking ourselves. That's what happened in 13-14 and 12-13. And Tyler Ulis to 25. 15-16. Every other decent year goes way up. DeMar DeRozan. Optic fast break. Frank Mason. All-Stars fast break. Brow. What's so funny, Jules? It's wishful thinking. Redemption. Ha! What the heck? Kevin Durant fast break signatures redemption. That's back-to-back basketball mixers with Durant autos. Try and beat that. It's Harpopotamus. Harpopotamus is stoked that we did random. Chandler Parsons, number to 193. Let me know the next time you see 2 mixers in a row of basketball with Kevin Durant autos. A gold one last time. Thomas Bryant rookie. Freaking fast break Optic Durant. DJ Wilson, Iguodala. Yeah, I know. Nurkic. Yeah, the Brooklyn Warriors. Jordan Bell. Retro Pippen. All these busters. Bam Abadai. I wish I had a screenshot of what Tyrone Cyclone looked like. There's a Zach Collins rated rookie blue. Fast break. Wish you could seen old Tyrone in action. Some highlights. Sterling Brown. Clear for takeoff. Jamal Murray. I'm just hoping I can get a Grizzlies or Timberwolves redemption that I can say is the Denver Nuggets. Get Ryan all riled up again. See if I can get more question marks out of him. Like, I thought Wiggins was Oklahoma City, question mark, 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 question mark. Wesley Wundu. DeMarcus Cousins. Poor Ryan. Scrounges out one measly Dennis Smith Jr. One measly redemption out of NT break, and I can't even give it to him. Josh Hart. DJ Wilson, rated rookie to 50. Ryan was literally on a wall, like one of those rock climbing walls during that break. Just he was physically acting out the pain of watching the NT basketball break without any nuggets. Semi-rated rookie. Hanging by his pinky off one of those little crusty rock thingies. Malik Monk, Caleb Swanigan. And I said Pacers and he fell, tumbled to his death. Donovan Mitchell, rated rookie. Courtney Lee. Oh, God. At least we can all laugh about it now, Ryan. Just like on Monday when I talked to Todd about how he ruined my drafts. We'll just have a good laugh. Oh, water under the bridge now. Jared Allen. Hollow Kobe. Dylan Brooks. Man, I was all high on Todd after he did the confidence pull thing. Is really cool. He did a great job on that. You know what he did? He tried to squeeze in some stuff for me right before he left. That's always a bad recipe. Didn't have time to test it all out. Looked good to me. Oh yeah, looks good. Let's go with it. Everything's working great. Ike, rated rookie. Jaylen Brown, red. I should have known better. No, Todd. No changes before you're about to leave for a week. That has disaster written all over it. John Collins, Ingram Hollow. Are you having a laugh? Lonzo Ball, rated rookie. Feels like we forgot about Lonzo and Kuzma and all these other guys after Donovan. Wayne Selden, rated rookie. Dwayne Bacon. Terrence Ferguson. There he is, Tyler Lydon. Told you he was Pacers. I mean Nuggets. Rab, Batum, Hollow. Whoa. Fultz rated rookie, DeMar DeRozan. Neon green to 175. Clear for, is that a number? Durant to 175. Clear for takeoff. Green. Neon green. Gershon. OG rated rookie. Markkanen rated rookie. DeMar DeRozan, the Raps. Jamie, number to 79. That pink, what is that one called again, Jules? It's Jules' parallel. It's like, not Twilight, something like that. Twilight Sparkle. Tyler Dorsey. Harry Giles. And the autograph, Justin Jackson for the Sacramento Kings. Harpopotamus. Old JJ. Cantor Hollow. Teodosic, Stanley Johnson, orange. Poor Todd vacationing right now. Thinking he's got it made. Oh, man. Let's do select. Marquise Chris, that's a white parallel, numbered to 149. Wesley Matthews, is that it? The all world ones are supposed to be something. All world Patrick Ewing. I don't know why select packs are unopenable for me. Fultz rookie. The new UCCF. Frank Mason rookie copper. Number to 49. Kings have so many slightly above average rookies. Darren Fox, silver, rookie. There's another one of them. Lonzo, rookie. Whoa. Whoa. Ryan Anderson for the Rockets, zebra. Cyrus. Kevin Love, tricolor. We haven't had zebra for a while. Thought they were extinct. Keith Morris. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. For the Minnesota Timberwolves, Mr. Friggin' Bliss. Justin Patton jersey auto. He's on the board. And keep a good man down, Jules. Jared Allen rookie. Mike Muscala. Josh Jackson rookie. Gordon Hayward for the Jazz jersey. Throwback. A young Hayward. A young, no broken ankle Hayward. Isaiah Thomas tricolor. Dragic blue die cut. Yogi Ferrell blue. Here come the Cardinals. One out, runners on first and second in the bottom of the ninth. Jules and Ryan, if you're not watching. Tatum rookie. Miles Turner, Zizic to 199 jersey auto for the Cavs. Damoose. Who's winning the confidence pool thing? There's like 10 people who didn't even do a confidence pool entry that were in that break. I can't believe it. I guess people just don't listen to me or watch the breaks or read the breaks or do anything. Free. It's a free chance at some CSB points. No one did it. Only 33 entries out of 43. Thanos is winning right now. He has 4 wins. That can't be right. There's not been 4 games. Oh, all 3 of the games are in progress still. Mr. Freaking Bliss is in 3rd place. It's early, though. Here's Ozuna with 1 out. Oh, the corner! Yeah, that might score 2. Might be a tie. Oh, definitely scoring 2. Tie game. Friggin' Cardinals. There's a Tatum rookie. Giles red rookie. Wiggins and Barnes. Fultz rookie. Josh Jackson rookie. DJ Wilson rookie. Oladipo, Dragic, and Klay Thompson. There's still only 1 out and a runner on second. Base hit, this game is over maybe. De'Aaron Fox rookie. Derek White rookie. There's a nice Josh Jackson. There's the Suns. Brett, Josh Jackson to 25. Camo Mosaic Prizm. That's nice. Miles Turner and Saric. Excuse me. Oh, choking up over that. Pop up. Oh, that's right. We will see a change. All right, Prizm retail. One, I think. Isaac Emergent. Yeah, we never get autographs out of Mosaic. We had 1. I don't know how many boxes we've done in mixers. Avery Bradley silver. Chevik fundamentals. Thomas Bryant rookie. McCollum. Prince silver. We're so due for some rookie silvers after those last 2 boxes. Oh yeah, it was a Markkanen, that's right. Satoransky red wave, not numbered. Travion Graham, Justin Jackson. Oh, NT basketball filled. Kid Gilchrist, De'Aaron Fox. That's the green retail version that's not numbered. Alvin Gentry silver, Bam Adebayo. Ferguson rookie, Doug McDermott green. Tony Bradley rookie, Van Gundy. Why would baseball drafts work and nothing else? So weird. I don't even know how that's a thing that would break. Donnie. Dwayne Bacon, Silver Moutier. OG rookie. Only 3 cards in that pack. TJ Leaf. Josh Hart. Zizic. Oh, and a Swanigan Silver rookie for Portland. That is the Zizic rookie to 42 for the Cavs. Full count, runner on second, 2 outs. Here's the pitch. Oh, he might have just won the game. Back, 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 back. Oh, oh, at the wall. Dang. Looked like a home run. Tim Quarterman autograph. For the Portland Trailblazers, Tim Quarterman. Wait. It's Houston Rockets. Sorry. Cyrus. He's wearing a Blazers jersey. That looked like a home run off the bat, didn't it? Thought it was gone. Jeff Hornacek green. Tatum emergent. Hey, no. Derek White emergent. Yeah. Bogdong. Are we really going to have three Prizm boxes in a row without a rookie silver? Come on. Here's a rookie silver. Oh, no, we had one. Never mind. Jabari Parker. We did have a Caleb Swanigan silver. Sorry, Swanee. Pretending like he wasn't a rookie. It's alright. This jumbo box is going to rule. Zidgets. Dennis Smith Jr. John Collins. Larry Nance Jr. autograph. Back when he was on the Lakers. Jobu. Steph Curry silver. Bam Adebayo emergent hyper. Frank Ntilikina rookie. Wayne Selden Jr. rookie. Frank Jackson. Greek Freak. That's a Tatum silver emergent. Cyrus. It's not bad. And a Markkanen rookie. Lonzo Ball rookie. Jeez, we still have 4 breaks. Semi Wesley. Malik Monk emergent. Embiid silver. Enes Kanter blue. Pistol Pete 8-5. Jared Allen. Lonzo Ball emergent. Hoiberg and Barea. That's cool. Ntilikina emergent. Felton and Vogel. Malik Monk rookie. Tatum rookie. Leiden rookie. Kawhi Spoelstra. What's up? I'm getting the Zizic rainbow here. Cyrus. Number to 75. Pink or purple, I don't know. It's right in between those two colors, really. Harry Giles. I watched a Pistol Pete thing like when, I don't know if it was a real. Oh, Carl White, Red Wave rookie. wasn't like a documentary exactly. I think it was like a dramatized thing of his life. No, maybe it was a documentary. I don't know. It was like in 5th grade, but it was like the most motivational thing I've ever watched for trying to be good at basketball. I remember thinking like, oh man, I wish I was Pistol Pete. I'm going to practice every day. Harkmaz, Luke Kennard. Drummond Fundamentals. Not as much as my Magic Johnson It's Always Showtime VHS that I used to watch daily. Nothing got me more pumped than that. Anyone ever watch that? I would watch it right now and still get pumped. It's so awesome. Dorian Finley-Smith, silver. Ben Simmons, cracked ice thingy, blue. The Sixers, Dodger blue. Number to 99. Jules, is there a Magic Johnson Always Showtime video on YouTube anywhere? Jonathan Isaac. Autograph for the Orlando Magic. There you go, Better Lorenzo. I want to find that somewhere. I think I lost the VHS a long time ago. I don't have a VCR anyway. 48 for the Magic to 49. There's Isaac again. Jaron Fox Emergent, Jimmy Butler Silver, Rick Carlisle Blue. Last pack. Okay, 1 rookie silver out of 2 boxes. Josh Jackson. Patty Mills, Norman Powell. Dang it. All right, man, there's a lot of piles of cards here. We had an Isaac autograph, Ben Simmons blue cracked ice thing, Zizic pink, Tatum silver emergent, Larry Nance Jr. autograph, Tim Quarterman, Zigic's pulsar pink thingy, Josh Jackson camo to 25 from Mosaic. Zizic everywhere. Autograph jersey, Hayward jersey, Justin Patton jersey auto, Justin Jackson, Kevin Durant fast break signatures from Optic Fast Break, and a Joel Embiid from the bonus box of Inception. And millions of different colors. Caleb Swanigan silver. There's a Donnie. Alonzo, Fox, Fultz, Stanley, Markkanen. Some of the top rookies I put in here and some of the fast break parallels. Well, all of the fast break parallels. Ulyss and Mason rookies from Ascension. All right.